Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi guys, we are your resident digital learning specialist. My name is Arlette.
And I'm Jordan. Today we're coming to you with
Tech or Treat.
And we're going to be coming to you every Thursday leading up to TCCA 13. The theme this year is Tech or Treat. TCCA is the largest free ed tech conference in the state of Texas. It is ran by Alden ISD's digital learning specialists, and it's always so cool. There are free cool prizes every year. There are dynamic presenters every year. The best of the best come out to present the newest and latest and greatest in educational technology. Being that this year the theme is Tech or Treat, we're going to show you today a treat.
And today we're going to be making slime.
We have all of these supplies.
Glue, hot water, food coloring, borax, and a whisk. First, you add the hot water, food coloring, and glue together with a whisk. Next, place about 3 tablespoons of borax into 1/3 cup of hot water and stir into liquid. The measurements are 1 part glue and 3 parts water. Last, let the loose yet viscous liquid rest for at least 3 hours to thicken.
We let it sit overnight, and this is the big batch that we made. And see how it moves? So it's like water. It's super cool.
And then it goes back to its shape.
Yeah, and it kind of goes back to where it is. We put glitter in it, and it all kind of sank to the bottom, but it's a water slime. Isn't that cool?
Hey guys, like we were saying, TCCA is coming soon, fall 2023. Be on the lookout. Remember, Tech or Treats every Thursday. Follow us on all our platforms. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and we're on, of course, TikTok.
You know, if you haven't seen the trailer, go check that out. That was our last post on TikTok. Have you seen it?
No, not yet.
It's okay. Check it out.
Incoming tech
Oh my
nightmare.
gosh. So if that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. I'm going to grab this paper towel, okay?
Okay.
Be right back.